We are currently miles away from civilization, breaking ground on a remote build that people thought it wasn't impossible after we have lost everything years ago. Before we could pour 50 foot of concrete, we had reconciled old debt and internal finances and internal frictions that nearly tore our family apart. We are finally learning that you can't build a future while you are still anchored to the ghost of financial disaster. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the real reason most real estate projects fails. It's not money. Most of people think real estate projects fails because of money. Lack of funding, rising mistakes, rising cost, but that is not the truth. That is not the real reason. The real reason is what people carry into the project. They carry unresolved conflict, broken trust, and even fear from the past failure. You can have the capital, the land, and the plan. But if your foundation is cracked internally, everything you build will eventually collapse. Before we touch the ground, we had to fix what was inside. We fixed the old arguments, financial scars, claims that we have been sitting for years. Because building isn't just physically, it's emotionally, it is psychologically. And most people skip that part. They rush to build structure without rebuilding themselves. A project doesn't fail because you ran out of money. It fails when alignment breaks, when vision isn't shared. It fails when discipline isn't consistent. It also fails when people are moving in the same direction but with different mindset. You can't build something strong on a foundation of doubt, ego, and silence. The moment everything changed for us was when we stopped asking, do we have enough money? And start asking, are we really strong enough to carry this? That's when the progress began. So, if you are trying to build something or anything, don't just check your bank account. Check your mindset. Check your relationships. Check your discipline. Because the truth is, success isn't built from outside in. It's built from inside out. Fix the foundation within. What you build will finally stand. It is not the money that breaks projects. It is what you bring into them. If you believe that you can restart again, please subscribe to this channel and join the journey.